may want to access the auxiliary battery for multiple reasons. Reason 1. In case your vehicle is not switching on even when the traction battery is charged. Reason 2. To check the health of the battery. Reason 3. To disconnect the battery in case you won't be using the vehicle for a long period. Please note, the main system will shut down once the battery is removed and the alarm system will be deactivated as well. To access the auxiliary battery, open the luggage space. Remove the toolkit from under the seat and take out the screwdriver. Now, remove the floor mat. You can see the auxiliary battery cover held in its place by 2 screws. Open the screws to remove the cover. If you don't plan to use the vehicle for a long period, carefully unscrew the negative terminal and remove the wire connected to it. Unscrew the positive terminal and remove the wire connected to the negative terminal. Take out the auxiliary battery. First, connect the negative terminal to the wiring harness. Then, connect the positive terminal to the wiring harness. Screw back the cover in its place. Put the floor mat back in its place. Always put the screwdriver in the toolkit and keep the toolkit in its designated storage space. For more on how to VIDA, keep watching our videos.